If you're getting this error message, something went wrong launching your game, and this occurs when you try to play Minecraft. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. And maybe if this steps doesn't help you fix the problem, you can always select this link here which is shown on the web page. Now the error code can be different or can be the same. So if maybe this step doesn't help you solve the problem, you can just select this link to take you to the web page where it can guide you on how to fix the problem based on the error code you're facing. Now the first thing you need to do, you can open the Xbox application. Just open the Xbox app. Now go to your library. Now look for the Xbox the Minecraft game that you're trying to launch. Let's say you're trying to launch the Minecraft launcher, or you're trying to launch the Minecraft Java edition. You can always select the game on your library. You can just select it just like so. Click the three dots here and then go to manage and then select files. Now you'll see an option verify and repair. So click verify and repair. After the verification has finished, try to relaunch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. Or if you don't have the Xbox app, you can just press Windows plus I, go to apps, and then select installed apps. Now in the installed apps section, search for Minecraft. Now select the Minecraft that you're trying to launch. Maybe you're trying to launch a Minecraft Java edition. Just click the three dots here, select advanced. Now on the advanced option, scroll down, you'll see an option repair. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. This app's data won't be affected. After trying to repair, try to relaunch the game and check if the problem has been fixed. If you're still facing again the same issue, just select reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. After resetting, try to check if the problem has been resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite repairing and resetting your game, just try opening Minecraft for Windows. Now, lots of people have reported that when they try to launch the game using Minecraft for Windows, the issue was resolved. So you can just select here Minecraft for Windows, try to play the game and check if the issue has been fixed. Now, some people faced this error message, something went wrong launching your game when launching Minecraft for Windows. If you're one of them, you can try other version of Minecraft. For example, this is the Minecraft launcher. You can see there are other versions of Minecraft like Minecraft Java edition, Bedrock edition, or other versions here. So if you're facing this issue when launching Minecraft for Windows, which say something went wrong launching a game, custom arguments were used, you can try other versions of Minecraft such as Minecraft Java edition or Minecraft Bedrock edition, and you can get this through the Minecraft launcher. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite using the Minecraft for Windows, try to use another launcher. Now the launcher that I'm using also the SK launcher. There are so many launchers for Minecraft like the Prism launcher. Try with the SK launcher or the Prism launcher. So you can just select your game, try to play it, and then try to check if the problem has been resolved. But in most cases, this problem which say something went wrong launching your game can easily be fixed by just repairing your game by selecting here the three dots on the Xbox app, select manage, then select files, and then try to verify and repair.